Good morning, my friend. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your oil life monitor and reset the oil change light on the 2015 to 2024 Chevrolet Trax. So stick on here, I will show you how to do it. Alright, in this section, I'll show you how to reset the oil life on the first generation Chevy Trax. So let's go and do that together. Step 1. Turn the ignition on. Step 2. Hit the menu button until it shows you the oil life on the display. Step 3. Press the set button and hold it down till the car beeps and it changes to 100%. To reset the oil life on the old Chevy Trax, you can use the button on the left stalk. So let's get into it now. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the menu button on the left stalk and it'll take it over to the Vehicle tab. Step 3. Roll the up or down button till getting the oil life screen. Step 4. Press on the set button and hold it so it's going to say, "Are you sure that you want to reset?" Step 5. Highlight yes and press the set button one more time and it's gonna reset your oil life. On the latest generation Chevy Trax, you can reset the oil life using the center touchscreen. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Start up the car. Step 2. Find and tap the vehicle status menu. Step 3. Tap on maintenance. Step 4. Select oil life. Step 5. Select reset. Step 6. Tap on reset again to confirm and the percentage will change to 100%. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe and check out my other video if you found this helpful. I have all kinds of content on different makes and models. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.